Okay, so now that your media files are uploaded, you've created templates maybe, and now you're here, we're now ready to create a job. So the first thing you want to do is give it a name. This one, we're just going to call this is a test job. The source media is going to be the file that you want to split into smaller clips. Because we only have the one, it auto selects it for us. This lets us decide if we want to make audio clips, video clips, and text files out of the generated media. If you don't want it, like let's say we don't want text files, we uncheck text files. In this example, I only want to make video files, so I'm going to uncheck the audio files too. So now I'm only going to get video clips from my generated media. Over here on the right, you'll see all the clips that are being created. For your first couple jobs, these clips will be pre-populated. These are just demonstration clips for you. This is the first 5 seconds, the last 5 seconds in the middle, just to show you what domination can do. So if you don't want these because you want to make your own, you just remove them just like so. Now when you pick your templates, here's where you're going to pick the either pre-roll, post-roll, watermark file that we created a template before. And if you didn't, we have demo templates here that you can pick from just to see how everything works. Anything that you run under $1 is completely free, so you feel free to play around and see how the site works. If you don't want these though, if you want only yours, you just get rid of the templates like such. But for this example, we want to show two, so we're going to show our domination template with all the domination branding, and then we're also going to do the tattoo template with the tattoo branding. Next, we want to add in our own clip start and stop times. So the software does not create the clips for you. It doesn't know where you need start and stop and what your topics are. So you need to tell it where you want to create these clips from this longer piece of media. You can do that either from the start and stop times here. You can type it in. Let's say you want it to be exactly 1 minute to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You could do that if you want to, or a minute to a minute 30, and it'll create a clip. So now this is going to create a 30-second clip. And if we make a mistake, again, we can just delete it. An easier way to select your clips is down here on this play bar. You can grab these handles and move to start and stop times of the clips you want to generate. And if you want to check it out, hit play. And you can kind of jump around like, oh, I kind of want to check out here. And that's where I'm going to start. So what I'm going to do is I can either drag the playhead here or I click this button, jumps it up. Now I'm going to pick an end time. We'll try, so let's see what's around here. Yeah, I'm not talking there. That's a good spot to stop. So let's click there and we'll move the end playhead to there and add clip. So now we've created a clip from 47 seconds to 2 minutes and 10 seconds, so about a minute, a little over a minute and a half. So now we're just going to go ahead and create a couple extra example clips. Let's say we want a small one, like for social media that we're going to add. And you'll notice these time codes get updated as we move our scrubber, so it's all dynamic. And let's say we're going to do one at the end. Something else I want to show you is if we add a description and we type, let's see, in clip, this will put the description in the file name of the files that it creates for that clip. So we'll go ahead and add this one, and you'll see it now has a description icon with the description in it. Once we've created all the clips, we make sure we have the templates we want, we go ahead and start the job. If it's free, like this one is, it'll be $0. So you don't have to pay anything, and as soon as you start the job, it runs it immediately. If it does cost money, which is anything over $1, then when you click Start Job, you'll be taken to Stripe to be paying, and as soon as the payment's complete, it kicks off the job and takes you to the job status page. So let's go ahead and kick off this. And there we go. You kicked our first job off. So you're going to see a total progress bar here at the top of all your files being generated. And if you scroll down, you'll see all your individual files being generated with their progress bar. All the files are grouped by the templates that you chose. So for this example, we had 2 templates, so you'll see 2 different groups of files. You'll also notice that all these files are being created at once. That's why domination is so fast. We create all your content from every template and every clip that you make, so it doesn't matter how many you have, all at the same time. So that's why this thing can just rip through your media in no time fast. As these files get completed, you'll see that it says status is completed, there's a green progress bar, and now you can actually click the link to download the file. So we're going to go ahead and download this one while we wait for the other ones to finish. Let's check it out. So the first, it's going to start out with the domination template pre-roll video file, which you see here. And now it's going to cut to me talking from the clip. Billing for a day is how it starts. Now let's check out the end. It ends with our video post-roll. There we go. So that's our first clip. Now if we want to check the same clip out, which is the second one, from our tattoo shop template, our job's done. How long did that take? 1 minute and 13 seconds to create 6 clips from a single file. That's no time. This would have taken you a lot longer if you tried to do it yourself. So now let's click on the second one. This exact same clip, but now this one is branded for the tattoo shop. I'll open it up. Hit play. So this is the video pre-roll for the tattoo shop. liveonceinc.com. That's my tattoo shop. Shameless plug. And then as soon as that's done,
I don't know what you bill for a day, but for me, that's a lot.
bill for a day. So there's the clip. And this one doesn't have a video post roll, so it's going to end. But you'll also notice it has the tattoo watermark. So it's the exact same clip, but branded from a separate template. And that's how we have the files. So there you go. We've just created 6 clips from one source content file, branded for 2 completely different websites, and it took 1 minute and 13 seconds. That's domination, and that is how you're going to dominate your competitors with content. Dominate with content, domination.com.